Hey guys, Erica with a K here. I look like Beetlejuice. Today's video is going to be on how to not obsess over your weight during the holidays, and also, I guess, which would go hand in hand with that, is how to keep the weight off during the holidays, because I know the holidays are really tough for people when it comes to diet and exercise, and I also know that family triggers emotions. I'm not a therapist, but I'm a human being. I know that family triggers emotions, and sometimes we emotionally eat. So these are my tips and tricks as to how not to obsess over the food you're eating, how not to obsess over your weight, and how not to obsess over just your whole diet exercise plan in general. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up and write down below what kind of diet and exercise videos you guys want to see. My husband and I did lose a ton of weight combined. We lost a ton of weight, and you guys can definitely see that in older videos. My face looks like Drop Dead Fred. It's like way rounder. No shade, Drop Dead Fred. But anyway, if you guys want to see like our weight loss journey or anything like that, like we would love to do videos like that. So please let me know down below if that's something you guys would want to see. But let's get into this video. So my main thing with diet and exercise that I love the most about it is the fact that you are in total control of your life. Like, this is a science. It's literally science. Work out, eat right, lose weight. You don't need any kind of special diet. All you need is self-discipline. So what I want to say when it comes to the holidays is control what you can control. So you could be eating at somebody's house and maybe they cook with a whole stick of butter in their mashed potatoes and you would not use that much butter. That's okay, because for breakfast that morning or the last meal that you had that you cooked yourself, you're going to control that meal. And then for the holiday, you're not going to obsess over anything, and this is why. So this is the trick that me and my husband do. So it's a holiday, just say Christmas. We know we're going to have 3 meals that day. We're going to have breakfast at my dad's. We're going to have another meal at my parents, my mom's, and then another meal at my husband's parents. We're not going to be able to say to anybody, what did you cook this with? What is in here? Because people will take offense. If people aren't doing diet and exercise, they take offense when you're concerned about what you're eating. That's something I've learned. Not across the board, but a lot of people do. So you don't want to insult anybody by saying like, what did you cook this with? Can I have this? How many tablespoons of butter did you put in it? You don't want to do that. And you also don't want to obsess. So what me and my husband would do is the night before, we would know we're eating healthy tonight because tomorrow we're going to eat whatever we want. Or the day before, whatever we want. And that is what happens in our lives regularly. So during the week, we have full control over what we eat. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We have full control. We are not seeing anybody during the week. It is just the two of us, and we control what we eat. And we make sure that we eat very scheduled, very good meals all day long. We track everything through our app. I can get more into detail on that if that's something you guys want to see, but we are in full control. Then on the weekends, we often hang out with our parents or we'll hang out with friends, and we just don't ever count the chips we're eating or the alcohol we're consuming or the dinner we eat. We don't count any of that, because during the week we're so good that on the weekends we feel like, oh, it's okay. It's okay if we do this because we'll be back on track on Monday. So that is my tip for you guys for the holidays. So instead of obsessing over like the 2 days a year, let's just say Christmas Eve, Christmas or Thanksgiving or any holiday, instead of thinking that one day is what's going to ruin your diet, just know that those are going to be your cheat days, or those are going to be the days that you're not obsessing over the food that you're eating. And the days that you can control, so the days that you are responsible for yourself, for your food, those are the days that you control. Those are the days where if you want to track what you're eating, you track what you're eating. If you want to count calories, you count calories. You don't cheat on those days, because 363 days a year or 2 days a year, you are in full control over what you eat, what you consume, and just think of it that way. Those are the days you can control. The days that you can't, if it's a holiday, then that's okay. Go there and enjoy yourself, and don't hate yourself for eating too much, or don't hate yourself for not tracking your day. Like, just know I'm allowed to do this today because I eat good all the time. And so those are my tips. I hope that you guys like this video. I know that the holidays are very triggering for many of us, and I also know that A lot of times we get stuck in this weird spiral where we slip up a day or two and we think it's over, that's it, the diet's over, or the lifestyle, whatever you want to call it. I don't call it a diet, I call it a lifestyle. And I think like, oh, I ruined it. But then it's like, no, tomorrow I wake up and I'm in total control of my day. So just always keep that in mind with you guys. Never feel like that's it, you blew it, gotta wash your hands. Like, no, tomorrow's another day. And it could just be one meal. Maybe there are holidays where we don't go to see everybody during the day. So during the morning for breakfast, we'll eat healthy. And then the rest of the day, we don't mind so much. And we don't come home and snack after that. Like, but if we did, that's okay too, because you're not going to obsess over it for those 1 or 2 days out of the year, or maybe even 4 days out of the year, 10 days out of the year. That's not going to change the hard work you put in all the other days. And if you are into working out, some people are just into eating right and not really exercise. But if you are into working out or eating or walking or whatever it is, do that in the morning before the event. So you know, all right, I feel good. I feel good. I know I did a good thing today, and I will be burning off the food that I eat today. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up right down below that you guys want to see it, and I'd be happy to do videos like this. I have a ton of good ideas that I want to put into a video for you guys. I just don't know if that's the content you guys want to see, so please let me know. Okay, I love you guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!